Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Mossy, aka Sidevex Trades, and today we're back at it again with another trade recap slash review journal. And yeah, so let's just get straight into it. Today we had a nice sell off on Friday, back into the 420 area of demand. And it took two trades today, 0 out of 2 for me today. Played both puts to the downside and did not work out. So coming to the day, this was my thought process. Watch the 422 level here, 420. These are the levels that I had charted here. 420 for the upside, 422 for the upside as well. And below 418, I was going to take some puts. Below 420, I was going to take some puts as well, but it opened right off from the market, and usually right off market open. Usually, I don't really like to, I'm not too like familiar yet with market open, taking trades right away. So I was going to wait a little bit and really see what the market is going to choose because, as you know, when we have a sell-off like this, usually we have a relief day or not. So, you don't really know if we're going to have a relief day or not, and it's better to be patient and wait to see which direction the market chooses. And today it looks like it just wanted to quickly get a relief before probably continuing lower going into the end of October. But anyway, the first trade here was entered the 408 puts. Pretty much 0 out of 2 for only traded pretty much the same contracts here. Entered the 408 puts around this area here. Seeing that we broke pre-market low, I got basically entry cheese here to be honest with you because uh, as soon as I saw this like candle spike, I got in because I was like, oh, okay, I don't want to miss this. I want to get a good entry because I've been focused on getting good entries, but man, I got really, in hindsight, when you look at it back, like obviously, duh, right? But as the candles were forming and everything, I really wanted to get a nice entry, and my stop loss was pretty much right here. So I entered like right around here, say like 418, maybe 418 or 418 to 410, and my stop loss was very wide. So yes, it's a small account, and yes, I should have a tighter stop loss, but I realized that I really wanted to, like, SPX broke 4200 and I really wanted to give it some room to go down and maybe retest. But as you guys can see, this stopped out here when it hit 418.50, and we double bottomed here pretty much and just sent it back up. Next trade, entered the same contract again, saw that we were rejecting here, entered puts here. I wanted to catch the play back to here, but as you guys can see, that didn't really happen. We kind of have a, not really, I mean, you could kind of have like little head and shoulders here if you look at it, inverse head and shoulders, but I don't really trust the 1 minute for those. So, yeah, but overall, I mean, it is what it is. Very good day today. If you were being patient and really waiting to see which direction the market chose and really sized in properly, I feel like you would have gotten a nice trade here today. Overall, I'm happy about my levels. They were getting respected. Um, 422, 420 were the biggest ones, and overall, markets seemed to respect them and respect the demand zone as well that we were in on the daily. And if we look at the 4 hour here, like this is my zone area. It's kind of wide, but I mean that's what I just wanted to go it off of because it makes sense to me. Touches areas are very nice. The areas that it touches on resistance turn support is pretty accurate. So that's what I just went with these zones. But yeah, I mean, it looks like this can play out if we end close above 423, and who knows, we could see a double bottom play out here all the way back to 440, or we could just be taking a relief break here and then we drop all the way to 410 and 400. So all those are in play. We got a lot of earnings coming this week, earnings for major names, and as well as some economic events on Thursday and Friday. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I mean that's pretty much it for today. 0 out of 2 for me, $20 down total in the day. Um, account sitting at 258. So it is definitely possible to revive and come back. But when it comes to these accounts, I really like to have a lot of wiggle room, and the smaller it gets, the more I just don't like that. And I'm just gonna have to reload the account moving forward from here. Maybe next month I'm looking at it. But for now, I'm just gonna keep playing with it and just refine my trading good strengths and weaknesses. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.